The Arctic, a frozen frontier that covers more than 5 million square miles, where temperatures can plummet to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This land of ice and snow might seem desolate, but it is teeming with life. Today, we'll explore how animals and humans alike have adapted to one of the harshest environments on Earth. In the frozen expanse of the Arctic, survival hinges on adaptation. The majestic polar bear, the largest land carnivore on Earth, roams these icy terrains with an undeniable grace. Clad in thick fur that insulates against biting winds, its body is a marvel of evolution. A layer of blubber beneath the surface serves as a buffer against the frigid temperatures, allowing it to thrive where few can. Armed with powerful limbs and sharp claws, the polar bear is a skilled hunter, its keen sense of smell guiding it to its primary prey, seals. These fascinating creatures must surface through small holes in the thick ice to breathe, becoming targets for the bear's powerful attack. In the realm of ice, the Arctic fox embodies the art of survival through its masterful camouflage. With an extraordinary ability to adapt, it changes its coat from a rich brown in the summer to a pristine white in winter, harmonizing seamlessly with the snowy landscape. This ingenious transformation not only aids in hiding from predators, but also enhances its skills as an opportunistic hunter. Small rodents scurry beneath the snow, unaware of the fox's silent presence. Meanwhile, the remnants of larger hunts provide a feast of scavenging opportunities, showcasing the fox's versatility in the unforgiving wilderness. Wolves traverse the wintry landscapes in tightly knit packs, relying on teamwork and intelligence to thrive in their harsh environment. Utilizing their complex social structures, they strategize hunts for caribou and musk oxen. The howls that echo across the tundra connect these wolves, solidifying their bonds and enhancing their hunting capabilities. Each synchronized move allows them to exploit their prey's weaknesses, underscoring the delicate balance of life in the Arctic. This cooperative spirit not only strengthens the pack, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining the fragile ecosystem that sustains all who call this icy realm home. In conclusion, life in the Arctic presents unimaginable challenges and breathtaking beauty. The stories of the polar bear, Arctic fox, and wolves highlight the extraordinary adaptations that define survival in this frozen landscape. The intense cold and fluctuating conditions demand resilience and cooperation from these mammals, reminding us of the harsh realities of life in the wild. Their struggles, triumphs, and interdependence weave a rich tapestry of existence in a world where life constantly dances on the edge of survival. The Arctic remains a sanctuary of both extraordinary creatures and the vital balance they uphold within their ecosystem. The Arctic landscape is a stunning tableau, filled with majestic icebergs that glisten like diamonds under the relentless glare of the midnight sun. Here, the seasons unfold in a dramatic ballet, casting shadows far and wide as the light dances across the boundless ice. The summer months are a spectacle, where 24 hours of sunlight transform the cold, stark wilderness into a vibrant playground, reflecting blues and whites of unparalleled beauty. As temperatures rise, the ice floes begin to melt, slowly revealing hidden treasures beneath their frosty exterior. Glaciers, ancient sentinels of time, crack and shift, the sounds echoing through the stillness like nature's whispers. Each drop of melting ice contributes to the rhythm of life, creating streams that pulse with energy. The tundra, so often painted in shades of white, stirs awake, showcasing a palette of colors as flowers bravely push through the thawing earth, adding bursts of life amidst the stark, icy surroundings. However, as winter descends, the Arctic landscape transforms into a different realm altogether. The sun retreats, leaving behind a cloak of darkness that envelops the land. This long winter plunges the world into cold stillness, a serene yet harsh atmosphere where the fabric of life is tested. It is during these times that the resilience of the Arctic becomes evident, as creatures continue their existence in the depths of chilling winds and deep snow. Adaptation becomes the key to survival, with animals finding ingenious ways to thrive amidst the adversities of their environment. Beneath the surface of the ice, life teems in unexpected ways. The freezing waters cradle a wealth of organisms, from microscopic plankton to majestic whales that gracefully navigate these frigid seas. Each ecosystem is intricately connected, part of a delicate balance that sustains the marvels of Arctic life. Furthermore, the fierce Arctic winds carry the spirit of the landscape, sweeping across vast expanses and carving out sublime formations, whispering stories of resilience and eternal cycles of change. In the grand scope of nature, the Arctic remains one of the last frontiers, a testament to the power and fragility of our planet. As the light shifts and the seasons change, the Arctic landscape reveals the duality of nature's harshness and beauty, leaving us in awe of this extraordinary environment that endures against all odds. Beneath the thick crystalline surface of the Arctic, a hidden world thrives, teeming with remarkable marine life. This realm, shaped by ice and cold, is a haven for seals that glide effortlessly through the frigid waters. Their sleek, streamlined bodies move with grace, showcasing the beauty of adaptation in an environment where survival hinges on agility and precision. As they dart and twirl, specks of light filter down, illuminating their playful antics in a soothing ballet. Emerging from the depths, narwhals, often dubbed the unicorns of the sea, navigate the icy expanse with their distinct long tusks. These unique creatures possess an extraordinary ability to break through thick ice, showcasing an impressive ballet of survival. With each surfacing, they exhibit confidence, their piercing tusks cutting through the icy barriers that separate them from the world above. As elusive as they are enchanting, narwhals dive deep into the abyss, seeking sustenance in the nutrient-rich dark while evading predators in this stark yet breathtaking environment. In this land of contrasts, the presence of bowhead whales adds to the splendor of Arctic waters. These massive, majestic creatures represent the pinnacle of adaptation, possessing the strength to break through thick ice with their powerful heads. With a lifespan surpassing 2 centuries, bowhead whales embody resilience and endurance in one of Earth's most extreme habitats. Their calls resonate through the chilly ocean, echoing stories of survival and the wisdom gleaned from a century of navigating frozen depths. Together, these remarkable species create a vibrant mosaic of life beneath the ice, where each creature plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. The seals, narwhals, and bowhead whales each contribute to the interconnected web of marine life, showcasing the incredible adaptations that allow them to flourish in one of the harshest environments on the planet. Even in the depths of winter beneath the blanket of ice, the Arctic remains alive with motion, sounds, and stories waiting to be told. This hidden sanctuary, preserved under layers of ice, highlights nature's resilience and the intricate dance of life that endures amid the cold. The beauty of marine life beneath the ice is a testament to the wonders of the natural world, urging us to recognize the significance of preserving these delicate ecosystems for generations to come. In the harsh, frozen realm of the Arctic, life persists against the odds, especially among its feathered inhabitants. Here, the snowy owl reigns as a master of survival. Draped in gorgeous, thick plumage, these majestic birds not only withstand the bitter chill of the long winters, but thrive in it. As daylight fades and the world transforms into a muted palette of whites and blues, the snowy owl emerges with an ethereal presence, poised to glide seamlessly across the landscape. With each silent flap of its wings, it vanishes into the snowy expanse, a testament to nature's exceptional design for survival in extreme environments. Meanwhile, the snowy owl captivates with its remarkable hunting skills. Its keen eyesight pierces through the thick blanket of snow-covered terrain, spotting small rodents hiding just beneath the surface. In the blink of an eye, it descends with stunning precision, a predator perfectly adapted to the challenges of life in the Arctic. Its ability to hunt silently further enhances its status as an apex predator, with few that dare to rival its prowess. This enchanting dance between predator and prey plays out against the stunning backdrop of the frozen landscape, where even survival becomes a beautiful spectacle. But the Arctic isn't only home to the snowy owl. It proudly hosts the remarkable Arctic tern as well. Known for its incredible migration, this small avian traveler embarks on a journey unlike any other. With wings outstretched, the Arctic tern takes to the skies, flying from the Arctic to the far reaches of the Antarctic. Covering an astonishing distance of over 44,000 miles in a single year, it holds the title for the longest migration in the animal kingdom. Each year, these tenacious birds navigate vast oceans and turbulent weather, guided by instinct and a relentless spirit, forging connections between polar regions in a breathtaking cycle of life. The spectacle of Arctic birds, from the silent grace of snowy owls to the ambitious flights of Arctic terns, embodies the extraordinary resilience of wildlife in the most extreme conditions. As they navigate their world, their stories unfold, tales of survival, endurance, and majestic beauty. All around, the Arctic pulsates with life, inviting us to witness the unfathomable wonders of nature adapting and thriving in its most challenging environments. Through the journey of these birds, we are reminded of the delicate balance of ecosystems and the remarkable adaptability of wildlife that inspires us all. For millennia, the Arctic has been home to indigenous peoples, particularly the Inuit, whose enduring spirit resonates through the icy winds and rugged landscapes. In this frozen wilderness where temperatures plunge and resources are sparse, these communities have thrived by honing a profound understanding of their environment. The stark beauty of ice and snow contrasts with the rich tapestry of their traditions, which echo stories of survival, adaptability, and connection to the natural world. Wearing garments crafted from the skins of seals, caribou, and other animals, indigenous peoples display an artistry that reflects both aesthetic beauty and practical functionality. These traditional clothing pieces, adorned with intricate designs, protect against biting winds and frigid temperatures, enabling hunters to traverse vast stretches of ice while remaining warm. The sight of a dog sled team gliding gracefully over the snow symbolizes not only transportation but also the bond between human and animal, a partnership forged over centuries to navigate the Arctic expanse. Hunting forms the backbone of subsistence, with methods steeped in ancestral knowledge. Using techniques passed down through generations, hunters skillfully locate seals and whales, harmonizing with the rhythms of nature. The icebergs and open waters are their hunting grounds, where every movement is calculated, every sound carefully listened to. This connection to the land and sea is not just about sustenance. It embodies respect for the environment that provides, and the reverence imbued in every harvest reinforces their spiritual ties to their homeland. Constructing igloos from snow blocks, indigenous peoples demonstrate an architectural ingenuity born of necessity. These structures are not merely shelters, but also symbols of their resilience, crafted to withstand fierce Arctic storms and freezing temperature extremes. Inside, they cultivate warmth through communal gatherings, thoughts shared, stories exchanged as the outside world remains shrouded in winter's grasp. Each igloo serves as a sanctuary where culture flourishes amidst the challenges of the Arctic life, illuminating the essence of community and interdependence. The traditions of the Arctic indigenous peoples stand as a testament to human resilience. Adaptations to their environment tell stories of survival, creativity, and perseverance, bridging ancient practices with modern realities. As climate change poses new threats to their way of life, the endurance of these communities illustrates an invaluable connection to the land, a narrative of hope, strength, and an unwavering spirit against the odds. Their legacy endures with the wisdom of generations echoing across icy expanses, a rich gift to the future. The Arctic, a captivating realm of icy landscapes and unique wildlife, is now in the grip of a harrowing transformation. Climate change has unleashed a relentless wave of warmth, causing ice caps to melt and glaciers to recede dramatically. Visualize the vast expanses of white, once stable and enduring, now shrinking at alarming rates, leaving behind a bare seascape that alters the very fabric of life in this region. Polar bears, the iconic inhabitants of the Arctic, find themselves precariously balancing on dwindling ice floes, symbolizing the broader challenges facing their habitat. As the temperature continues to rise, the ecological balance of the Arctic teeters on the brink of disruption. The melting ice, which has served as a vital platform for hunting and breeding, is disappearing faster than polar bears can adapt. Imagine a mother polar bear and her cubs, navigating smaller and more isolated patches of ice, struggling to find food and shelter. The diminishing sea ice impacts their ability to hunt seals, their primary source of nourishment, ultimately threatening their survival and the continuation of their species. The consequences of this crisis extend beyond polar bears. As glaciers retreat, they release fresh water into the seas, contributing to rising sea levels that threaten coastal communities far beyond the Arctic Circle. Visualize time-lapse sequences capturing this unsettling change. Glaciers that once dominated the landscape now reduced to mere shadows of their former selves. This influx of fresh water can disrupt marine ecosystems, changing salinity levels and impacting the food chain that supports myriad aquatic species. As marine life faces uncertainty, the indigenous cultures that have depended on these waters for centuries also find their way of life under siege. The future of the Arctic hangs in a delicate balance influenced by human actions and climate policy. Each degree of warming carries with it profound implications for biodiversity and the health of ecosystems. To combat the threats facing this region, urgent action is paramount. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions and investing in sustainable practices, we can help mitigate the impacts of climate change. The voice of the Arctic must be heard, for its fate is intertwined with our own. A call for responsibility and a pledge to protect this fragile wilderness before it is lost forever. The Arctic remains one of the most extreme environments on Earth, a place of beauty, resilience, and fragility. As we continue to learn more about this frozen wilderness, it becomes clear that its survival depends on us. Will we act in time to preserve the Arctic's unique ecosystems for future generations? Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Arctic. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible explorations of our planet's most mysterious and beautiful places.